Welcome to Visualize Your Financial Success, Turning Dreams into Reality. Within these pages, we embark on a profound journey into the transformative power of visualization in achieving financial success. Your financial dreams are not just aspirations but attainable realities when you harness the boundless potential of your mind. Together, let's explore the depths of self-discovery, empowerment, and financial achievement. Visualization isn't merely a passive mental exercise. It's an active process that engages your mind's eye in creating vivid mental imagery of your desired financial future. It's about using the power of your imagination to shape your reality. Throughout this script, we'll delve into the science, psychology, and practical techniques behind visualization and how you can use it as a tool to manifest your financial goals. Chapter 1: The Power of Visualization. Visualization transcends imagination. It's a dynamic force that molds your financial destiny. In this chapter, we delve deep into the science behind visualization, revealing its role in rewiring your subconscious mind for success. Gain a comprehensive understanding of the psychological and neurological mechanisms that make visualization an indispensable tool for not only setting you on the path to financial success but also maintaining unwavering motivation and resilience throughout your journey. Recent studies in neuroscience have shown that when you vividly imagine your financial success, your brain can't distinguish between what's real and what's imagined. It activates the same neural pathways that would be engaged if you were actually experiencing the success you're visualizing. This phenomenon, known as neuroplasticity, highlights the immense potential of visualization. Furthermore, visualization is a practice embraced by many successful individuals, from athletes who mentally rehearse winning performances to entrepreneurs who visualize the growth of their businesses. In essence, it's a tool that can be wielded by anyone willing to explore its capabilities. Chapter 2: Setting Clear Financial Goals. The bedrock of visualization is clear, well-defined financial goals. This chapter meticulously guides you through establishing smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound financial objectives that resonate deeply with your values and aspirations. Discover the profound impact of aligning your goals with your core beliefs, providing a solid foundation upon which your success narrative unfolds. Learn how to break down long-term goals into manageable milestones to stay motivated and focused. Remember, your financial goals should be specific enough to leave no room for ambiguity. Instead of saying, "I want to save money," specify, "I want to save $10,000 for a down payment on a house by December 31, 20XX. The more specific your goals, the easier it becomes to visualize and work towards them effectively. Chapter 3: Creating a Vision Board. A vision board is your artistic canvas for breathing life into your financial aspirations. In this chapter, you'll master the art of crafting a vision board that evokes powerful emotions and maintains unwavering focus and motivation on your journey. We'll explore not only selecting compelling images, quotes, symbols but also how to arrange them thoughtfully. Dive into the world of tactile elements, affirmations, and the transformative power of visualization techniques that bring your vision board to life. Consider incorporating elements that resonate with all your senses into your vision board. Alongside visual elements, add tactile elements like a small piece of fabric that represents the luxurious lifestyle you desire or an essential oil that conjures the sense of success in your mind. Engaging multiple senses enhances the impact of your vision board. Chapter 4: Daily Visualization Practices. Consistency is the linchpin of success in the realm of visualization. This chapter unveils a diverse array of daily practices that infuse your routine with the magic of visualization. Dive into the depths of guided meditation, embrace the transformative power of positive affirmations, keep a detailed visualization journal, and immerse yourself in mindfulness exercises. These tools become the pillars upon which you construct and reinforce your financial success mindset, elevating your self-confidence to soaring heights. Visualization journaling is a particularly potent practice. Each day, write down your financial goals in the present tense as if you've already achieved them. For example, I am enjoying financial abundance, with a six-figure income, and living debt-free. This practice not only reinforces your goals but also primes your subconscious mind to work tirelessly toward their attainment. Chapter 5. Overcoming financial challenges. Financial success often demands navigating challenging terrain. This chapter equips you with a comprehensive toolkit for overcoming common hurdles such as debt management, budgeting, and unexpected financial setbacks. Learn how visualization serves as your creative problem-solving compass, granting you the resilience and adaptability required to conquer adversities. Understand the importance of emotional intelligence in financial decision-making and how visualization can help you navigate complex financial emotions. When facing financial challenges, visualize them as temporary roadblocks on your path to success. Use your daily visualization practices to imagine yourself calmly and confidently overcoming these challenges. This mental rehearsal will not only reduce stress but also help you develop effective strategies for resolution. Chapter 6. Measuring progress and adjusting your plan. To ensure you stay on course, tracking progress is imperative. This chapter guides you in the art of assessing your achievements, critically reviewing your financial goals, and making necessary adjustments. Visualizing your progress not only fuels your motivation but also empowers you with the insights needed to fine-tune your financial journey for optimal success. Dive into the realm of data-driven financial tracking, exploring tools and methods to monitor your financial health effectively. Consider using financial tracking apps and spreadsheets to monitor your income, expenses, and savings. This data-driven approach allows you to see how your financial decisions impact your progress toward your goals, providing valuable insights for course correction if needed. Chapter 7. Celebrating your success as you approach your financial milestones. Remember the importance of celebration. In the final chapter, we explore the significance of acknowledging your achievements, no matter how small or significant. Celebrations are not just joyful occasions but also vital fuel to maintain your unwavering commitment to achieving your ultimate financial goals. Discover various ways to revel in your success, including setting up rituals that reinforce your success mindset, and maintaining a positive outlook on your financial journey. Consider creating a success journal to document your achievements along the way. Write down not only the financial milestones you've reached but also the personal growth and resilience you've cultivated. This journal will serve as a powerful reminder of your journey and a source of motivation during challenging times. Conclusion. As we conclude, visualize your financial success, turning dreams into reality. Embrace the knowledge that you hold the reins to your financial destiny. Visualization, complemented by precise goals, unwavering practices, and tenacity, will transform your dreams into tangible, real-world achievements. Your financial voyage may present challenges, but with unyielding determination, a well-defined vision, and the boundless power of your mind, you can surmount any obstacle and secure your rightful place among the ranks of financial achievers. Remember, financial success is not just about accumulating wealth. It's about achieving the freedom and security to pursue your passions, support your loved ones, and contribute positively to your community. Visualization